Hello guys, so today we have the second trades here. So I didn't expect to so fast having another second trade so fast of coming out here. So we have a second one on Euro Pound today. So you can have a look now. So I just enter the trades on 66.1. So this trade is basically more on fundamental to explain on these trades because you see, on cable we just have a good fundamental 2 hours ago, and then euro is showing quite a lot of weakness there. So it's probably some high probability entries here. I expect it to be high probabilities because we have good fundamentals on cables, and then let's have some look on the euro charts because euro looks quite weak today, and then it's showing there's a lot of space for going down here, some space there for going down, and then cable shows pretty strong today after the fundamentals earlier or 2 hours earlier, so it's worth selling. But as I don't know, everybody's know that cables usually works quite, I mean euro pound instruments is quite slow moving instruments, so we need some time to, and we can't expect to have a lot of pips here. Maybe 10 to 20 is, I think, is enough for us to close the trades. Actually we are running here live, so what you can see here currently, the price is quite good moving, and then the price action is good, everything showing quite well here. So let's have a look on tick charts that I usually use. So I'll get on 400 tick charts. I think this I can consider this as high probability trades because cable is showing very good news just now 2 hours ago. So euro shows a lot of weakness there. So it's quite encouraging me to putting on these trades. I'm not sure whether it will work out, but at least I know where's my risk is. My risk is just about 12 pips above there. So that's the beauty of price action trading because we know our risk is how much is there, and then I can put my risk on very low last 12 pips for my entry price is about 78. So I just put my 12 pips below. Sorry, I mean 12 pips above. So I'm just risking 12 pips to see where the price is going. So let's see how it works here. So I don't know how my first video can encourage you guys what actually price action is trading. Does it help you guys improving? I'm not a instructor or somebody who so-called gurus out there. I'm just a normal trader. So maybe I can't speak very well here, and then I can't present it very well. Then, but that's my way of trading. I try to explain my tradings to you guys out there so you can get something, at least some knowledge about it, at least maybe some more in-depth look on it about what actually trading is. I hope you guys don't mind that, and I appreciate you guys comment. So let's improve together. Um, what I should do better in futures. I mean, so currently it's still hesitating there whether it wants to go down or not. But I'm pretty, I don't know, it's still looking quite healthy on this trade in my opinion. So we just have a look. Let's see what it's doing later. So I'll be back with you in 5 minutes. There we go, guys. So as I mentioned earlier, we don't have a good volatility on euro pound. So when you're putting on a trades on euro pound, you have to be a lot of patience. Let it do what it wants. And if it hits your stop loss, you just get out from it. And if it goes into your favor, maybe you can get 10 and 20 pips easily on euro pound sometimes. So you have to be a lot of patience here. You see the price movement is quite slow here, but maybe I'm not quite sure how is this, but so far it's looking good. Even on the 5 minutes, on the 15 minutes, on the 30 minutes, even on the hour charts to me. So we'll see what it goes, what we will do later on because it's quite low volatility here. So let me get back. So why? Let me explain something why I would put this kind of trades because you see we got euro pound. I mean cables earlier, 2 hours earlier. We have good fundamental news here. So that's why euro also doesn't have its own strength today. Euro is quite weak today. And then when pound have strong, we don't trade pound even if it's pound strong and euro was weak. This is because when pound is strong, euro was weak. That means we should trade euro pound instead of euro USD or cables. This is because euro is, as everybody know, euro and cable. I mean euro and pound is some people will say they are like brother and sister pairs. So So that's why when pound is on strong side and euro was on weak side, we should trade euro pound rather than taking the cables trade or the euro trade. If we will take euro on, I mean, if we take the cables on strong, even we know they are strong, but euro wasn't moving a line, it will easily chop you out. I mean, it will easily hit your stop loss and then the price will become choppy. So that's why, hence we can't take the cable trade if they are strong on itself, but euro wasn't aligned with the cables. So we will take this euro pound rather than taking the cables trade. So we'll see what it's doing. So at least I have some profits now and it's running on in my favor. So I hope it will hit my maybe 10 and 20. I didn't expect to have a lot of pips here. Maybe 10 to 20 is good for me here. So I'll get back to you later. So we'll see what it will be done. Hi guys, welcome back. So it's almost an hour after opening the trade. So you can see how low the volatile on Euro pound trades. You can see I opened this trades on 11 and 30. So it's about 50 minutes since the opening of this trade. You can see it moved just within the range of 61.8 and I mean 61, 62.2 into 76. It's just moved within 15 pips. So you know how much low volatile the euro pound moving. So we can definitely know. So we have to be more careful during euro pound trades, and then we can't expect a lot from euro pound trades profit. Maybe 10 to 20 pips is very good for euro pound. I mean 20 pips. It doesn't move like euro USD. I mean the volatile not good as euro USD. For instance, like we said, euro dollars move for 20 pips maybe, but euro pound probably will move only 10 pips. So therefore, if euro pound moves 20 pips, it means that euro USD have done 40 to 50 pips. So we have to be very careful, and then we can't be greedy on this kind of instruments. So let's have a look. You see, I'm still losing 3 pips now on the move now. So I'm still waiting, but the setup is still look good. So I will close my, if it breaks here above here about 79, 78, 79, somewhere around here. So 10 pips above. So I'm taking about 13 to 14 pips of risk on these trades. So if it goes my way as I said, I will take about also same 10 to 20 pips on these trades. So it is worth risk taking on some, I mean, this kind of setups because it can be considered high probability as I mentioned earlier because of cable have a good news just now. So I'll be back with you guys later on and see what's the result of these trades. Hi guys, welcome back. So it's about I think about 80 minutes since the trade opens, and you can see how low volatile is it on this euro pounds again. It still move. I think the range is just between 14 to 15 pips. So you have to be a lot of patience in trading sometimes. So I think it's not that great setup now. So as I said just now, if it breaks above this line, I will just close it. I will just take a small loss, maybe 8 to 9 pips loss. Because you see, the line, as as my first video said, I'm a forex fractal trader. So we all depends on how the line's going on. You see, if it breaks this line forms nicely here. It just form top, top, top. If it breaks up above this line, the price break above this line, I can just easily exit the trade. Not like other people saying I don't know when to exit the trade or I always can't exit the trades. No, trading you can't fight the market. If the market doing not well, you just take the small loss, get away from it. 8 to 10 pips. I mean, even 30 pips in trading is a small loss. So you can take the 8 10 pips easily when it goes not on your favor. I mean, the trade goes against you, rather than you just wait, and then you get a lot, and deeper loss. So if it really goes here, I would just, I mean, the price, if it really goes to this area, I would just close it and take a small loss of maybe 8 to 10 pips. So I'll get back to you guys later and see what going on later. Thank Hi guys, welcome back to this Euro Pound trades. So every one of us can see now is starting to breaking up this line. So if this line can't hold, I will just take my small loss of maybe 7 to 8. Maybe is about 10 pips. Maybe I think I will take that loss and consider is just a bad trade. That 10 pip loss is just a small loss on trading that usually occurs. So we must learn how to take this type of small losses when we think that the trade will go against us. So we have no point to keep the trade if the trade is against us. So maybe one more minute I see if it doesn't goes well, so I will just close the trades with a small loss. So we will see in a minute later. By the way, we can see here as well, it forms a nice support here. This kind of support is usually very useful. I mean, very useful to me. That means the price, the market is currently taking this as a support line. So I think I should exit this trade anyway. There's no point of keeping this kind of trades. So let's have a look in a minute. Okay, I think I will just exit this trades with take a small loss. Yeah, that's all. You see, when it breaks, you can see how the demand came in when I close. If I don't want to close and I stick to it, I will be seriously damaged. You see, I close on maybe 74. How the demands came in here, you can see it clearly. So I hope you guys learning how I close the trades even with a small loss. Small loss is we have to accept this kind of losses when in trading. We can't expect every trade to goes in and have a good profit. Sometimes we have to take a small loss, forget about it, and then try to find another new good setup. That's all for today. I hope you guys learned something with me on my videos. And then if you think you are learning something, you just subscribe it, and I will try to update constantly new trades, new live trades on my channel here. Thank you for watching and enjoy trading.